It all together. So 4 different ways you can wear it. And guess what? It comes with a mirror. Don't laugh at me, okay? Alright, so this is it. How do I look? No? Yes? Maybe? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. This is your girl Ivy. Welcome to IveeHub. If this is your first time stopping by, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're here to stay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And to all my returning and new subscribers, guys, you are simply amazing. Yes, 1K. Thank you so much for the love and support. 1K. Wow, it takes a lot to even get 500. So 1K, I'm very much excited about it, guys. You did it, okay? We appreciate all the love and support. So today we are going to be unboxing luxury brands. So before I start, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get myself some rose. So I picked this from Amazon, okay? And it came with a tiny little card that you can write something on it and give it to your special someone. I love flowers, okay? But I prefer flowers that can last me a year or more without doing any work. Oh yeah, I'm lazy when it comes to flowers because I might forget to water it and it will be a whole big deal. I don't want to. I picked this color. It's rose gold. And ooh, and it smells nice too. These are live roses, okay? Every rose color sends a different message. So make sure you Google what message you want to send across and then pick that type of rose. I just got this because I just love the color. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. And it's from Marc Jacobs, okay? This is actually very cute. Silver purse with some dazzling studs on there, okay? Very, very cute because you can wear with so many things, okay? You can do silver, black, white, and a whole cell phone can fit in there. Cute little mirror, lip gloss, some extra. A good size purse to have, and I love it. I cannot wait to wear it, okay? So God, okay? So this is Versace. Did I say it right? Versace, okay? So I'm gonna try to both female and male. And look, just look at this. Look at that. Okay, so this is it. And I actually like the way it looks. I don't know if you can see it. Of course, I'm not gonna wear it with this dress. I'm just trying to show you how it looks. This is a bracelet. All right, bracelet, and it's actually very nice. I don't think I can put it on myself. This is how it is. All right, so it has like something, and this is mainly for males, but you can wear it as well. And as I said, this is a unisex. I think it's actually very cute, but it's simple as well. So if you want something elegant yet, you know, simple but cute, you can go for that. And you have to know the type of person you are gifting to. If there's something that they like, then go for it. But I think it's cute, all right, and I can wear it. And this is from Gucci, and I'm gonna have to take this off. Let's see. Okay, and let's dig in. Oh, okay, so this is the sunglasses. Let's see if it looks cute on me. Okay, so this is how it looks, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now let's see if it's gonna look good on me. Don't laugh at me, okay? All right, so this is it. How do I look? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay. I don't think it's bad. Well, I like it. even if it doesn't look good on me, I'm wearing it. But yes, it's actually very cute. I like it. Box right here. Versace. Ta-da! This is very beautiful. Okay, this is a size 40. I wear a size 40, sometimes 8.5, 9, but yes, a 40. And I really love this. And I'm gonna try to get it in a different color. But this is very beautiful, and it's a nice gift to give someone special. All right, the heel is not too long, which is fine. It's very mini. So whoever is not even good, if you're not good with wearing heels, this is a good place to start. But you can also go block if you want. But I love heels. But I just wanted to. This is the shortest heel I have. Okay, this is the first time I've ever gotten anything this short, but I like it. So yes, I cannot wait to dress it up. I'm gonna put it all together. So to match it purse because it has the same leather. Okay, so this, oh my God, this is so far the best. All right, this, I love this. And it's cute, and your phone can get in there, fit in there. All right, and the fact that your phone can fit in there, you can have your phone, you can have a lipstick or a mirror, a mini mirror, and you can also have, you know, 1 or 2 makeup in there. But you don't want to fill this up. Just make it so cute. Just put your cards and your phone in there, and maybe a lipstick in there. But this is beautiful. Look at this. It's amazing. I love this handle shape, and it's so bottom cute. What is this? This is so tight. Oh, I'm gonna get it off. All right, this purse. Someone's gonna ask, why do you have 2 black purses? You should have just gotten a different color. All right, this is different. And I love this purse because 4 different ways you can wear it. And guess what? It comes with a mirror. So, and you can always, you know, touch up when you need it. Your ID's in here, in the zip side, the small zip area. And you can put your phone over here. So it has 2 parts to it. First way you can hold this purse is just the way it came in. All right, so you just close it up and then wear it like that, this long, like this. Okay, if it's too long for you, you just have to open it up, cross it like that, like so, put one in here, and then close it up. I don't know if you saw that. Okay, so now you have it made as 2. Okay, so it has 2 right now. So you can hold it like that. You can still hold it like this. But if you want it a bit short, but not too much, you can do this too. This is it. All right, this is the 3rd way. You can wear this. This is good enough, right? So right here, like so. Okay. Or make it into 2. This is shorter. Okay, that's why I love this. All right, or you can just put the whole thing in. You can just put the whole thing in. All right, close it up and hold it like so. Okay, like so, or like that. All right. So one purse can be worn in different ways. This is one of the ways. All right, this way you hold it like that. Okay, or you can cross like that. Perfume, one of my favorite perfumes. Okay, this is unisex, so anyone can wear this, and it smells amazing. I mean, amazing. Jo Malone, this is one of the best. Okay, this is Tuberose Angelica, and it smells so good, so good. They've changed the container, but it's so amazing. It lasts so long too, because you just need a little bit, just right here, the right places to use them. Right here behind your ears, and then in between here, right there, and then right here. You don't have to rub it, okay? Don't rub it together, because it takes away the smell. I see a lot of people do that, but that's the wrong way. But, well, there's really no wrong way. I guess someone would say what works for you don't work for me, but this is the way you do it. You just spray one here, one there. Not like, come on. I know that, you want to smell good and all, but sometimes some people get headaches when you have too much on you. All right, just one here, a little bit right there, and then right here. Your ear should do the work. Okay, it does the work perfectly well. But this is amazing. Go check it out. Okay, cologne, intense. All right, it's intense. It smells so good afterwards. Even after a few hours, everybody is gonna ask you, what are you wearing? I'm telling you, this is amazing, and it smells so nice and earthy and warm. Like, it's everything. Everything. Go check it out. I love it. I love it. It's not too strong. Initially, when you spray it, it might seem strong, but it's not. It smells like a nice powder, a nice earthy, like something so good and soothing at the same time. All right, so that is one of my best perfumes, Jo Malone Angelica Tuberose. Okay, so this was the only size they have for this jacket. It's a Versace jacket, and it was actually very cute. I could not pass it. Well, even if it's bigger than me, I'm still gonna wear it. All right, and your special someone can wear it too. So let's say I'm not wearing it. I'm just putting it around me. All right, this is how it looks. Okay. See, I told you it looks bigger because it's bigger. But if I'm dressing, I don't want to go all the way. This is going to be, let me take it off before I change my mind. I cannot wait to style this. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and as I said, if you just joined this channel, thank you for joining, and if you are yet to subscribe, guys, what's the hold up? Go ahead and click the subscribe button and let me know what you like to see more of, because IveeHub basically is good for almost everything. But yes, I'm gonna do my best to push out great, amazing content. And thank you once again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Mwah.